Hey guys, back with another video. This time I am unboxing two Amiibo that I got today, and that is Tom Nook and Mabel. Check out my other video if you want to see Amiibo Festival. It should be the one below this one. So typically I don't open Amiibo, but I finally decided to do it. I want to be able to use these figures. And Amiibo Festival, it looks like you're really going to have to use Amiibo for it. So first one up, Mabel. Oh, it's painful. Oh, I can't do it. God dang it. No. Oh, here goes that. I've never opened an Amiibo before. This is my first time ever opening one. So let's see what we got. Put that over there. And there she is. Mabel. Alright. Ooh. Now, I already just adore this one. I love the way she looks. Very cute. You got the Amiibo Festival pattern there. She's got that hedgehog hair there. Very spiky. Neat detail. I love the paint color on it. Really neat Amiibo. I like this one. This is really neat. So we'll put her over there, but Digby and Isabel, the ones that came with the Animal Festival game, or Amiibo Festival. That's hard to say sometimes. Just Amiibo Festival, or Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival, just can get to be a tongue twister every once in a while. All right, now we got Tom Nook, the money-hungry raccoon that we all love. Let's check out his Amiibo. This is definitely one that I wanted to get, make sure I got. Very glad I got him. There he is. Once again, the detail of the Amiibo Festival all over it. He's got a nice little sweater there. Raccoon all over, yes. Love him. Very cute. So, there's the two Amiibo. I will be doing an unboxing of the KK Slider 3-pack. So stay tuned for that. And happy Amiibo hunting.